Back in the time of King Arthur, there lived a handsome and brave knight called Culhwch, who fell hopelessly in love with the most beautiful girl in the world, and she was called Olwen. Before they could be married, Culhwch had to get the permission of Olwen's father for her hand. But Olwen's father was no ordinary man. He was the terrifying and fearsome giant Ysbyddaden, and he didn't want anybody marrying his daughter. So he cleverly asked Culhwch to complete 40 near impossible tasks for Olwen's hand in marriage. The most famous of these tasks was to obtain a comb, razor and scissors from in between the ears of the Culhwch, an enchanted wild boar. Culhwch enlisted the help of his cousin King Arthur and his mighty knights for this task. They began their search for the wild boar over an island and eventually found its lair. But they frightened him, and so the chase began. The Culhwch ran into the Irish Sea and eventually came to Wales with the knights in hot pursuit. It was in this area, on the slopes of the Preseli Hills, that some of Arthur's knights tried to get those items from the wild boar, but they were killed in the attempt. But the knights did not give up. They followed the Culhwch all the way to Cornwall, where finally Culhwch managed to get the comb, the razor and the pair of scissors from the wild boar. Culhwch returned triumphantly to the court of Ysbyddaden, where finally the giant gave his blessing for their marriage. And so Culhwch and Olwen were married, and they lived happily ever after.